Accidentally deleted an important file from Google Drive. Don't panic. In many cases, deleted files can still be recovered, even if they've been sitting in the trash for a while. In this tutorial, I'll show you the different ways to recover deleted files in Google Drive in 2026. So let's jump right in. First, open Google Drive and sign in to the Google account that originally contained the deleted file. Once you're inside Drive, look at the menu on the left side of the screen. Next, select Trash from the navigation panel. This is where deleted files are stored before they're permanently removed. If the file was deleted recently, there's a good chance you'll find it here. Once you locate the file, right-click it and choose Restore. Google Drive will move the file back to its original location automatically. If you're restoring a folder, all files inside that folder should return as well. If you're not sure where the file was originally stored, use the search bar at the top of Google Drive. Type the file name or related keywords to locate it quickly. Sometimes people think the restore failed when the file has actually been returned to its original folder. If the file is no longer in the trash, it may have been permanently deleted. Google Drive normally keeps items in trash for a limited period before automatic removal. In some situations, account owners or administrators may still have recovery options available, especially for organizational accounts. If the file was deleted recently and isn't available through normal recovery methods, you can visit Google's support resources and review available recovery options. Yeah, the sooner you act after deletion, the better the chances of recovering important files. And that's how you recover deleted files in Google Drive. Most recoveries only take a few clicks, as long as the file hasn't been permanently removed. I mean, checking the trash folder first can save a lot of time and stress. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next tutorial.